In this video, we take a look at how to loop audio in Premiere Pro CS6 and how to find those problem frequencies while that audio is looping. Let's do this. Alright, so you just imported your footage and you hear a hiss or an echo or some type of problem frequency. How do you find that problem frequency quickly? First of all, go to your clip. Select the in and out points, which is I and O on your keyboard. Go to your loop audio button and click it. If you cannot find that loop audio button, you're going to need to add that button into your toolbar. So click on the plus, go to the loop button, which is that one, click it, drag and drop it into your toolbox, let it go. Great, now it's loaded there. Make sure it's selected, they'll be darker. Hit your space bar and it will start looping. Go to your effects tab and search for parametric equalizer, drag and drop that onto your audio, and then while it's looping you just play with the frequencies and you'll find it.